Hi everyone, my name is Nisha. Welcome to my channel Pretty Petals. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today's video I'm going to show you all how to make a beautiful vase decor with lentils. In this DIY you can do various vase decor. I would like to show you all one of my other creation front door vase decor with lentils. Let's get started. You can use any unused or old vase, whatever you have. Apply a glue and stick a lentil in a sequence order so that it gives a nice look. Let it dry for some time. This gives a grand look for your nightstand or a countertop, wherever you like.